I could just scoop him up with my feet.
I know, right? You have to move! Now he's scared of you. Come here. Oh, I got it. Oh, I got it.
Good boy. Oh, yeah.
I think you're trying to turn them into a different place. Wait.
I'll hold your feet. Here we go. I hold your feet. Ready?
It's turning.
Oh.